Guys, so a week ago I was going for a dinner and I didn't want to ruin my curls, so I was like, instead of braiding my hair or leaving the curls like this, because the cloth I wanted to wear was not like going with this hairstyle at all, so I decided to make a ponytail. People actually liked it and they said I should make a video on how I made it, so like the video and subscribe. Thank you. What I'll be using is this boom crochet. I'll be using this boom crochet. I'll be using a wig cap, tips. So these are the three main things I'll be using to make the ponytail. I'm also going to be using these pins to clip in my wig cap, just for it to hold tight from. I'm using the wig cap is just like this side, because you're wearing using this one that much. Then you take your boom, the boom crochet. So because I've used out of it, this is what is inside. So two of this. So I'm going to use just six strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first strand, take your scissors and cut out the tiny ends. Place it. Just roll it. Doesn't have to be smooth. Doesn't have to be equal. Just make sure it's nicely rolled. Yeah, just like this. So I'm going to fold this rolled one into two, like this, then like this. So it's a ball, just like this. So now check the segment I want to use. So I'm marking this side I want to use so I won't exit that part. So now I want to put this in the middle. Take the needle and thread and start sewing it. Make sure it's not flat. You don't want it to be flat. Taking the second one, same way. So I'm folding it top and down too, so it will look neat. So like this. Now I'm going to place it. So it will be folded like this. Then I'll sew it. I'm making sure it's not flat, because I want it to be swollen when I put it on my head. This is flat. Sewing the top first, so it will stay. Then sewing it down now. So now let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I'm going to cut out the excess cap. Just carefully cut it out. So now for the clip. So this is it. So I'm going to this cloth side to the wig cup. This. So just say it anyhow. Just for it to be a little bit tight. A lot tight. So I'm going to put the second clip directly opposite it. I'll put it directly opposite, so that whether you want to put it side by side or you want to put it from up to down, it will be equal. So this is how it came out. So I'm going to try to wear it on my head now so you can see. So I don't want to ruin my course, but I'm going to show you how to wear the bantu. This time I'll be packing my hair up instead of packing it down the way I did to the dinner. I'll be packing my hair up this time. My course. I want to comb it down because of my course. Okay, where's the rubber band? Normally I'm supposed to do some styles, so if you want to make yours, you can make your hair into styles. You can stitch it or just braid it. So anyway, yeah, I'm done. So I'm going to take the teeth, use a clip, put it here, put the first one on top, overlay it on my head, then comb the second one. Let me try putting it at the back again to see if it will be more fine. But I actually like this. I mean, if I had taken more time to comb my hair, braid it out, which I don't want to do, so I don't have to pretty straight my curves. Let's try packing it in the back. See, it's holding still. Okay, let's try packing to the back. Okay. I look pretty, really pretty. Look at how my forehead is shining. Okay. So the same thing. Just let's start from down this time. Clip it down. Then clip the second one. Yeah. Further afternoon. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to it. Thank you. Bye.